Hi, everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on if students start coming. We have to log in there using the email address and password as well by giving student. You do have to select from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 3 math, and then click on to all lessons. Here you can find the list of the chapters. We have to start with the chapter operating in statistics. We make sure you have a program pencil so that you can not be able to come to the definitions as well. Next, we have chapter 5 probability and statistics. Let's just start with the first lesson that is certain probability, unlikely and impossible. If you select an apple religion, how likely is that you will pick up red apple? So when you select an apple, you can see all the numbers are red, right? So it is certain whenever you put on apple, that will be red for sure, right? So it is certain that you will pick up the red apple. Okay, the next one is that the spinner will land red space. Just look at the spinner. The spinner has total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts, and out of six, one part is red and five parts are yellow. So there are fewer parts that are red. It is unlikely that spinner will land on red. It is unlikely that spinner will land on red. Let's just start with the test questions. How likely is that the spinner will land on yellow space? Just count the portions of the square wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the total portions of the sphere are 12, and there are four green and eight yellow portions, right? So the most of the portion is pink. So that means it is probable the sphere will land on yellow space. The correct option is probable option. The two is the correct option. Likely is that the sphere will land on blue space. So which is the correct one? So whenever you spin the simulator slowdown, you always land on blue because all the portions are blue. So the correct option is How likely is that a student will learn green skills? So we do not have any portion exponent, isn't it? That is impossible because we do not have any green portion over here. So it will not land on green. That is a great thing, madam. There is a mistake in the left channel. Lesson in my room to change the lesson in around grade 3. If you select a marble without looking, how likely is that you will pick purple marble, purple one? So you can see you have three red marbles and only one purple marble, right? So it is unlikely that you will pick a purple marble because there are fewer purple marbles than red, right? So the correct option is purple. Unlikely. Okay, if you select a without looking, how likely is that you will pick a brown one? So we have two brown marbles and one green marble, right? It is probable that you will pick up. The correct option is probable. How likely is that you will pick an orange one? Impossible, right? We do not have any orange marble here, so how can we select the orange, right? So the correct option is impossible. If you select a marble without looking, how likely is that you will pick a red one? Well, that are red, right? So it is certain, but wherever you pick a marble, that is always red. So the correct option is certain. How likely if you select a marble is that you pick a you pick a yellow. So which is the correct option? It is probably you will pick a yellow. If you select a marble without looking, how likely is that you will pick a yellow? Impossible. We do not have any. So it is impossible you will select the yellow, right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just okay, let's just do three, four more questions. red space. It is unlikely that it will land in red space because we have smaller, fewer red portions than yellow. The correct option is unlikely. If you select a marble without it, how likely is that you will pick a right one? Unlikely that you will pick the right one. But it will go that is option four. How likely is that the spinner will land on a yellow space? So which is the correct option? Impossible, right? The correct option is impossible. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself. Today, the teachers will next lesson. And range. You are given the numbers, you are given the data set. We need to calculate the mean of the data sets. And how do we calculate? We need to add all the numbers. There are eight numbers, right? You need to add them all together. So simply just add them numbers 40. Now you have to divide 40 by 8 because there are 8 in the question. 40 divided by 8 is 5. So that means the mean of the data is 5. So what we have to do, the first thing we do is okay, let's just start with the what is the median? So how do you find the median of the number? The first thing is just arrange the number from these two greatest. So now the middle number is the median. Middle number is 75. That has both the median. All the numbers are less than 8. And after the median, all the numbers are greater than 8. And the median divides the data into 26 equal words. See, we have two numbers over here and we have two numbers over here. Okay. So the correct option is median is so the median is 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, what is the mean? Just add up all the numbers and divide by the. Let me just see how many numbers are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 18 numbers, right? Let me just add them and then we divide it by 8. That is 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 1. So the sum is roughly 40 divided by 5 is 8. Sorry, because there are 8 numbers. The sum is 40. 40 divided by 8 equals my option number. One is the correct option. That would be the median is 5. 8 times 5 is 44. 5 it is. So the mean is 5. What is median? So for the median, we need to arrange the numbers from these two greatest. So let's just arrange 6, 9, 6, 8, 8, 8, 8, and 9. Right? Now we need to find a median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So fourth one, the median. For the median, we have all the numbers that are less than or equal to median and after the number of. So the median is the option of these given option. This means so for me we need to add them all and divide by the number of values given. The first thing is let's just count how many values they are. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 1 is 4 and 5, 5 and 4, 9, 4, 14, 14, 15, and 16. That will be divided by 16 divided by 15 equals. times 216, so the main is two option, but 3 is the correct option. What is the median? Let's just arrange these numbers from these to dash. They are 0, 0, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9, and 10. So let's just divide the data and make the equal group. So that is the 3 is the median. So the correct option is 3. The median is 3. The correct option is option number 3. That is 3. Okay. What is the median? So for the mean, you need to add them all. Then you have to divide the sum by 8. Let me just add. It's 3 plus 9 plus 6 plus 1 plus 10 plus 8 plus 7 plus 8. The sum is 48. We need to divide it by 8. So 48 divided by 8 is 6. So the correct option is 6. Option of the correct option. What is the median? For the median, you need to arrange the numbers from these two greatest. They are 2, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So which is the median? That is 7. So the correct option is 7. Option number 3 is the correct option. What is the median? That is 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. So let me just add them now. That is 6 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8. 6 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8. That is 55. And 55 divided by 7. That is 8. The correct option is 8. Okay, we can complete the lesson by yourself. Let me just interpret charge to find the union mode and range. Let's just start with the test questions. Some dealerships compare their vehicle sales. What is the meaning of the numbers? That is the element, right? How do we this complete set like this means 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? So let me just 5, 10, and 5, 15, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 5 and 5, 10, and 11, 5 and 5, 10, and 12, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 5, 10, 15, up to 17. Calculate the mean. So just add them all. The sum is the sum is 15 plus 17, 11 plus 12 plus 14 plus 1. That is 9. And they are 6 in number, so just divide it by the 6. So 90 divided by 6 is 50. The correct option is 15. So the mean of the given number is 50. Option number 3 is the correct option, that is 50. Can anyone please check the lesson name now? Is it grade 3 now? Just see the lesson name. Some friends played miniature ball run. They would stand there. Scores. What is the mean of the numbers? So again, we need to calculate it. Just add all the numbers. Scores, they are 20 plus 23 plus 20 plus 20 plus 21 plus 20 plus 24 plus 20. So there are 18 numbers. That's how I got that 68. So 168 divided by 8 is 21. So the mean of the given numbers is 21. The correct option is 21. And class recorded how many grades each student has received. So let's just count the value we need to calibrate the numbers. 5 and 5, 10 and 9, 11, 5 and 5, 10 and 2, 12, 5 and 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we need to add them because we need to calculate the mean. So your sum is 11 plus 12 plus 1 plus 13 plus 9. Their sum is 55. Their final numbers divided by 5 and equals that equals 11. So the correct option is 11. Kiraz, we reported how many memberships each sport team had. Okay. 5, 10, 15, 19. 5, 10, 15, 20, 20, 17, 19. We need to calculate the mean. So 20, so 19 plus 20 plus 20 plus 17 plus 19, that equals 95. So 95 divided by 5 is 19, so the correct option is 19, the correct option is 19, option number 3 is the correct option. The newspapers published the long pictures we had taken during the last 7 days. What is the name of the papers? So the values are 90, 10, 50 and 50. Then again 100 and 100. Then 80 and then 20. So we need to calculate and we just add them all. So that is 70, option number 3 is the correct option. The mean is 70, option number 3 is the correct option. A farm equipment company kept a record of the number of tractors made each month. What is the meaning of the number? So just add them all into 3 plus 91 plus 94 plus 98 plus 86 plus 100 plus 99 plus 77. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in numbers, 7 to 28 divided by 8 is 91. So the first question is actually 1. 2 that is 91. We get track that and the at the school playing. What is the mean of numbers? They are 20 plus 35 plus 21 plus 27 plus 27. So start them all that is 140 and then 140 divided by 5 is 28. So the correct option is 28. All that complete lesson by years like the so level can have 8.5 chapter work and beliefs, probability and statistics. The lessons we have learned today are certain probable, unlikely, and impossible, median, modern range, and you could charge to find the median modern range. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions or the lessons we just did. That is your momentum next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or I you can write down the question in the chat box and here. So all your question will be have. So please write down the question in the chat box and here to answer all your questions. So many questions.